Hey guys, welcome to Webentor, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can screen record internal sound in PC or laptop. To do that, just go to Google search and search for iSpring FreeCam. So just go to this third option and click on this link. No need to worry, I'll give this link in description as well as in the pinned comment. Now click on free download and then just scroll down and click on free download again. Okay, the download is completed. Just click on it and then select on this I accept the terms and click on install. So just wait for some time. Yeah, it's done, and click on now launch and then new recording. Okay, now just adjust this box to the screen that you want to record. After that, just go to this setting option. Here you will find two options, microphone and record system sounds. So if you want to record your audio as well, then just click on this microphone option. But if you only want to record internal sound, then just select on this record system sound option and click on OK. Like this you can record your internal sound.